In front of me is REALME C30, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration settings on this REALME device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Sound section. Now tap on Vibrate Focus and click on one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button, scroll down and choose Shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can also set up vibrate by clicking on it. Now go back, scroll all the way down and tap on this sweater next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to enable or disable it, and manage touch vibrations by tapping on the sweater next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!